Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories with a GTD. As you've seen in the last video, we've got the old girl up and running. We do have a bit of an issue. There seems to be a lot of oil coming out from under the rocker cover. So I'll show you that, and hopefully it should be a quick fix. Just replace the rocker cover gasket. Fingers crossed, we'll find nothing else. Let's do it. So there you go. There's the oil. See, it's starting to come out. Oh, it's got a bit nippy, so I'll put this extra coat on. Anyway, here we go. Once again, the rocker cover is coming off. One thing I'm not sure about though is which way these sort of spreader things go on, because they've got a slight bend in them. That I've had it on this way with a bend in the middle. Not sure if it should go on that way or not, or maybe it doesn't matter. Anyway, take those off. Right, give that a clean again. Whoa, look at all the oil around that. Around the sides here. Let's get this bad boy off. It's not in bad shape, to be honest with you. It's not squashed or anything. Okay, let's get the new one on and see if it makes any difference. So we put some more RTV all the way around it. Let's get this on quickly before it all sets. We've got all these tightened up. It's supposed to do them to 20 Newton meters, and we don't have a small torque wrench, so we're just going to tighten them up to hand tight, which is roughly what 20 Newton meters is. What's up? Oh, it's loosened. Is it? Right, okay, well we'll leave that 2 hours. Well, we'll put all these bits back on, we'll leave this 2 hours, and then we'll come back and see if we've got any more leaks. Right, it's the moment of truth. Let's see if we get any oil leaking out. Fingers crossed. No oil so far. So now we're just going to try and burp the engine. Hopefully we've got enough coolant and water in it. We've already got some coolant, we're just diluting it with some water now. Hopefully we'll see if the fan comes on. That's initially how the fan wasn't running. Right, so now she's running. We're just going to try and burp the old girl. We have got a warning light for the coolant temperature on our dashboard. Not sure why that's flashing away. But everything else seems to be working. Our temperature gauge is reaching halfway, and our fuel tank gauge is now working. So yeah, that's a good sign. Hopefully we can try and get some air out of it. Yeah, so let's crack on with doing that. It's nearing halfway now.
Thermostat's still cold.
Hey?
Bottom part's still cold.
Is it? Right, the thermostat's not opened up yet then, has it? And the top one was hot, wasn't it? Because it was pressurised. But it was dead solid, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's looking nice and soft, that now. Once the engine reaches halfway, the coolant should go shooting down, and then that should hopefully kick the fan off. Just a waiting game. Maybe give it a bit more rev, Dad, to help it along a bit. Just keep it at like open it up a little bit. Yeah. Getting some bubbles now. Got a lot of smoke coming from down there. Is that all the excess diesel on the engine maybe?
Probably, yeah.
Any oil coming down the front?
No.
Good. Did it drop down? Did it drop down? Oh, right. Well, this is annoying, but I guess it's got to be done. In the book it says, on diesel engines, get the engine up to normal operating temperature, then retighten the cylinder head bolts in sequence 1/4 turn. So it means I've got to take that rocker cover off again. Hello again, old friend. I've dropped a fucking nut down there, bollocks. Right, so 1/4 turn.
Okay, is it going?
A little bit. Right, that's that one done. Right, that's a 1/4 turn there.
That's turned a lot, isn't it? Jesus, that's nearly full.
That's a 1/4 turn. 2. 3. Oh. 4. 5. 6. Not gonna lie, I'm finding this a bit terrifying. Oh. Bit more. 7. 8. And the last one. Right, let's put the rocker cover back on again.
How you doing, Bert? Want to rub some of that stuff again?
What stuff? Every f***ing time! Oh, f*** off. This is infuriating. Whole nuts come off, which means the gasket's pulling up. Oh, how annoying.
You might get away with this, actually.
You're joking? How are you going to get away with it? Go on, have a look at that. Show me that again.
What?
How do you think we're going to get away with that?
Oh, it's bent there.
Yeah.
Right, straight now.
I won't put that on again.
I'll put a hole back on then.
It's covered in dirt.
What's it? It's off first.
Just film you doing this. Right, put the thing back in.
That's assuming we can find 2 nuts.
You can do it in front of the camera, okay?
Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, bugger. That's one. That's a no. Surely.
Well, as you can see, it's absolutely started tanking it down. We've got, what's that? We'll get everything back together on the engine. We'll put some more RTV on it. We've got to let that dry for a couple of hours, so we're not going to be starting it up. But hopefully, that should be the end of the oil leaking from underneath the head, because now we're tightening the head up. Hopefully that will be, I can't even remember what the original issue was with it, but hopefully that'll be the end of it. My dad's going to start it up tomorrow or later on tonight and let me know how we get on. Wish us luck. What was the issue, Dad, with it originally?
Huh?
What was the issue we had with it? Today. Apart from the oil. Oh, the oil leaking out of the rocker cover, wasn't it? Yeah. Cool. Okay, well, yeah, hopefully that's everything sorted. If you enjoyed this episode, drop a like, leave a subscribe, leave a comment, and we shall see you in another video again, hopefully when it's a bit nicer. Maybe take this thing out for a drive, see if it works okay. Who knows? See you in another episode again soon. Bye bye.